Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana's roll-up field. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to automatically aggregate numeric data from multiple projects within a portfolio, giving you a clear overview of totals without manual calculations. First, navigate to your Portfolios section in the Asana web app. This is where you'll manage and view all your grouped projects at a glance. Once you're there, select the specific portfolio where you want to add the roll-up field. This could be any portfolio you've created to track related projects together. Now look towards the right side of your screen where you'll see the column headers. Click the plus button on the most right column header. This button is your gateway to adding new custom fields that will help you organize and analyze your portfolio data more effectively. From the options that appear, select Rollup as your field type. This tells Asana that you want to create a Rollup custom field, which is specifically designed to pull and sum numeric values from across your projects. It's what makes automatic aggregation possible. Next, you'll need to name your rollup field. Choose something descriptive that clearly indicates what data you're tracking, for example, estimated time or total budget. A clear name helps everyone on your team understand what the column represents at a glance. After naming your field, click the Input option. This is where you'll specify which numeric custom field from your projects you want to aggregate. Browse through the available options and choose the field you need, such as estimated time or any other numeric field you've set up in your projects. Once you've selected your input field, click Create Field to add the rollup field to your portfolio. Asana will now automatically begin calculating and displaying the aggregated totals from all projects within that portfolio. This means every time data changes in your individual projects, your rollup field updates automatically. You should now see the rollup field displaying the sum totals from all your selected projects. However, to ensure data appears properly, you'll want to confirm that the original fields you're rolling up, like estimated time, are actually added as custom fields within each project in the portfolio. Without these source fields populated in your projects, the rollup won't have any data to aggregate, and that's it. You've successfully set up a rollup field that automatically tracks and sums numeric data across your entire portfolio. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.